Present simple. We use the present simple in many situations. General truths and facts, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. We also use it for habits and routines, actions that happen regularly. For example, I go to the gym every Monday. She drinks coffee in the morning. We use it as well for permanent situations, things that do not change for a long time. For example, he lives in London. They work at a bank. Finally, we use the present simple for schedules and timetables, things that are planned and fixed, like transport or class schedules. For example, the train leaves at 7 p.m. Our lesson starts at 10 a.m. How to form the present simple. The present simple is easy to form. Let's look at how we make affirmative, negative, and question sentences. First, let's look at the affirmative form of the present simple. For most subject pronouns, I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb. I eat breakfast. They play football. However, when the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add an s or es to the end of the verb. For example, she works hard. He watches TV. Now, let's form the negative form. To make a sentence negative, we use the auxiliary verbs do not or does not. We often use the contractions don't and doesn't in spoken English. Do not or don't is used with I, you, we, and they. For example, I don't like tea. They don't read books. Does not or doesn't is used with he, she, and it. For example, she doesn't speak Spanish. It doesn't fly. Finally, let's learn how to form questions in the present simple. We use the auxiliary verbs do and does to form questions. Do is used with I, you, we, and they. For example, do you speak French? Do they play tennis? Does is used with he, she, and it. For example, does she play the piano? Does he swim well? Now you understand the present simple tense and how to use it in different situations. Keep practicing and using it in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching.